water will eventually evaporate. It is recommended to use distilled water. Should you not have it, just use normal tap water for it. Are filled with water, and what happens over time is that if you leave it for a year, 6 months, take this out. There's a way. This video has been brought to you by one of our customers who has purchased this particular device here, and we're going to talk in depth about this device. We're going to talk about the settings of this device, some common problems that can occur with this device, and we're going to also talk about some features of the software and other features of this device. Now, first and foremost, we're not going to talk about how it is configured because we talked about it in other videos, but we're going to talk about a common problem with this device. First of all, this type of HIFO devices. Now, the cartridges, that's better, I think. That's there. Make sure it's completely dry. You see this edge here, the internal edge here, it's got to be completely dry. Otherwise, the sticker will not attach properly. Completely dry. It takes a bit of time. What I'm doing. That's quite important. It's actually quite important because this is a necessary maintenance that you have to perform on the device, because every